Hello and welcome to another Cult Pens video. Here we are going to be unboxing the brand new DIY ink My Colour kit from 3 Oysters. 3 Oysters is a new brand here at Cult Pens, and we wanted to unbox this kit because we think it's truly unique. You can see on the back that we have 10 colour ink 5ml bottles, toner 5ml bottles, 2 beakers, a glass pen, eyedropper bottle, and guidebook and a colouring card. You can see at the bottom here all the different colours that are available in the kit. This DIY ink kit lives up to its name, and the idea is that you can make your own inks by mixing all the various colours together. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's just remove this outer packaging. You can see it's in a really nice tin and just says DIY ink My Colour on the front, and there's nothing on the back. Let's open it up. Inside is this little envelope, and inside here I believe is going to be your guidebook. Here we go. Little A5 guidebook. These are the swatch cards, very pretty. Oh, that's the colour chart you can see. Look at how many colours there are. We'll get a closer look at that at the end of the video. And then here are the instructions on how you can make and mix your own colours. Let's just take a closer look at the swatch cards because they're very pretty. So that is the handy guidebook and everything you get in there. Now let's see the actual kit. On top it comes with a bit of foam padding just for packaging and delivery. Obviously we just want to make sure that this gets to you in one piece. Now look at that kit. Doesn't it look beautiful? Look at all those stunning colours. First up, let's take a look at the glass pen that comes included in this kit. It's got a lovely frosted white glass body and a clear glass tip. In a second I will give you a much closer look at this nib because I think it looks gorgeous. Perfect size to fit any hand, very comfortable to hold. Here you go, here's a closer look at that nib. A nice twisted nib so it can hold ink really well. Next up, I'm going to show you the little beakers that are included with this kit. I think they're very cute, but they'll be perfect for mixing all of those inks in. As you can see, they've got a little pour cup so it makes it easier to get the inks out once you're finished. They also have on the side this little measure so you can see exactly how much of each colour ink you're putting into these beakers. 2 of these expect to get very messy and inky as soon as you start using them. Lovely little things. Now let's look at some of these inks. First up, here's a close look of all of the different colours. Really bright, vibrant colours that just look gorgeous. Let's take one out and have a look. The first bottle we are having a look at is the cyan colour. This is obviously a nice vibrant blue, perfect for mixing colours. When you're thinking of print colours, you want cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Each one has a really sturdy lid and they come with a little pipette inside, which is what I was squeezing. Let's open it up and have a quick look. Look at that vibrant colour. Very pigmented and hopefully really easy to mix with all of these other beautiful colours. As you can see the little pipette there. I've sucked up a little bit of ink in this one. On to the next colour. I'm going to have a look at a couple of these. The next colour is yellow that I'm picking out. There we go. They are well packaged in there. Again, this one you can see the little pipette inside because the colour is obviously a little bit lighter, a little bit more vibrant. Nice secure lid with the squeezy pipette top. And there you go. I'm just going to squeeze some ink in. Hold on. There we go, nice and easy, should be really simple to use. Screw the lid back on, nice and secure, and the perfect fit back into the foam. As I said, really well packaged these. Don't think they're going to be moving outside of that anytime soon. And the last colour I'm picking is the violet. I'm picking this one because I love the colour purple, so I had to get it out to take a look. As you can imagine, it's going to be the same as the others. Give the tip a bit of a squeeze, and the pipette is very full, a nice vibrant purple, or violet I should say. As I said, very pigmented inks that hopefully will mix very well together. Next up is the toner. Reading the guidebook, the toners are solutions that are used as lubricants when mixing the different colours of ink. The toners are used to lower the viscosity of the ink, so use an appropriate amount. Toner is used to brighten the colour of the ink, while black ink can be used to darken the ink, so you can get that perfect shade. Once you have the perfect shade of ink, you can use this little clear empty bottle to put your new ink in. Has the same pipette top. As you can see, empty. I'll give you a closer look. Here you go at the little pipette. It's quite awkward because it's clear, but hopefully you get an idea. Right, let's close this one up. It has the lovely 3 Oysters logo on the front. And there you have it. This is the full set of the DIY My Colour ink kit. We'll take a closer look at the ink chart in a second, just having a read through the guidebook, and here are some things you may need to know. It says that you can mix 2 to 3 colours is what they recommend. The back of the glass pen can be used to stir the ink, and they recommend once you finish mixing your inks to get the perfect colour, just write down the recipe of how many drops of each colour you took, so then you know exactly how to make it again. And the last step, which I very much appreciate, is give your ink a good name. So here is that close-up of the sample chart colours. Look how many colours you could make. And obviously the possibilities really are endless with this. I mean, endless until you run out of ink, I suppose. But there are so many colour options you can make. You can have so much fun creating your own ink colours. We hope you've enjoyed watching our video unboxing this DIY colour kit from 3 Oysters. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do leave us a like and a comment on what you thought about this kit, and obviously we'll leave any links to these products in the description below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!